Kapalama Expungement and Bench Warrant Recall Clinic is taking place this coming Saturday to help folks move on from past mistakes. And Lisa Burgos explains how it benefits more than just the individual.
Having an arrest or a warrant on your record, no matter how minor the violation, can have a major impact on your life.
All of those things can be barriers to employment, sometimes even housing. So the opportunity to get a clean slate through expungement is really important.
To help folks get back on track, the public defender, Judiciary, and various organizations are holding a free legal clinic in Kapalama this Saturday. Volunteer attorneys will help people with expunging qualified arrests, such as first-time offenders with deferrals and cases that were dismissed with prejudice or acquitted.
There's normally a fee when you have to apply for expungement, but if you participate in this clinic, that actually will be absorbed. It'll be waived.
Yeah, so free for everybody.
If you've ever missed a court date for issues like traffic matters and petty misdemeanors, you can also have a judge review your outstanding bench warrant on the spot. A chance to clear minor criminal records without being detained or posting bail. And it eases the burden on the court system.
Accessibility to legal representation can be a barrier for some individuals. And so this is our opportunity as attorneys to volunteer our time and do something good and help not just the individual, it also benefits the family because it provides them opportunities. And so this can be a life-changing event that will benefit generations to come.
Registering is recommended to expedite the process, but walk-ins are welcome. Find a link on our website, HawaiiNewsNow.com. Annalisa Burgos, Hawaii News Now.